And also, napanaginipan ko yung nakaraan ko. Iwan ko kung bakit. Sabi ko kay Tami, hindi ako mail order bride ha. And nag-meet naman tayo dito. Good morning everything. After Christmas na po ito. Tignan nyo naman oh. After Christmas, nag-snow kasi kagabi konti. And nagluluto tayo dito ng bacon bread, and then magluto din tayo ng egg pagkatapos nito. Binalik ko lang itong sinuot ko kagabi kahapon na sweater. Good morning! Ngayon guys, sakit ng puson ko guys. Kasi kahapon nag-start. Ngayon pa sumakit. So nag-take ako ng alib agad. And then uminom naman ako ng maraming tubig. Nagluto ako ng bacon. Ayaw ko sanang mag-bacon. Pero niluto ko siya kasi dinifrost ni Tami ito 4 days ago. Yun. Kaya napilitang lutuin. Pero hindi lahat. Kunti lang. Ito yung wala kaming dessert kagabi. So ito yung kinain namin. Look. Masarap siya. Yun. I don't know kung saan ito ni Tami nabili. I think sa Costco. So, ngayon guys, it's almost 12 o'clock na. And na-busy lang kami sa kaka-cellphone. As usual. I think I'm gonna eat banana. Banana po tayo guys bago tayo. Punta ako sa taas mamaya. Wala. Magpunta ako sa taas maglinis kasi yung mga pang Christmas ko, yung ilabas ko yung lalagyan ng Christmas tree. I think I will put this Christmas tree down in the middle of January kasi itong si Hubs. So, wala na pala tayong laundry detergent. Meron naman ako, bumili naman ako, diba? Lang na lang tayo, maglagay na lang tayo. Nakabili ako ng Huwi Downy. So, yun. Lagay natin dito sa container. Yung isa dito, Ariel na walang Downy. Hindi muna natin yan ilagay. Ito muna. Dami. Ilawang ako. Bumili din ako nito kasi konti na lang dahil sa labahan ni Tami na nga ang dami. To remember. Anyway guys, late na po ako nagbabalik. Hindi sana ako mag-vlog ngayong araw pero it's 4 o'clock na. So, yun, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nag-i-edit ako, naglalaro. And then pahinga-pahinga, and then gusto kong manood ng movie. And ngayon, ito na naman tayo sa ilang layer ba to? 2 layer pala. 2 layer. May ganito, 'di ba, yung plastic. 2 pala. Look, guys, but anyway, suot-suot ko yung bigay ni Tami kahapon sa Christmas yun. So yun. Anyway, so let's try this one. My sister-in-law said this is good. May mga pangalan naman siya. Ito siya is double chocolate perfection. Ito. Andrea said this is good. It's full of chocolate.
Maybe that's why it's good.
Are you kidding me? It's just double chocolate.
What makes it better? We'll try a different one. I don't like this because this is just all chocolate, white chocolate and dark chocolate.
I like white chocolate.
Yeah, so then you like these.
And what is that?
I don't know, it looks like some kind of a cookie.
This one?
Looks like a cookie.
Huh? This is probably milk chocolate.
Biscuit with cream filling and a white coating and caramelized sugar.
Now this is caramel coating. It's very...
What's the heart? Hazelnut biscuit covered with milk chocolate and dark chocolate. Oh, milk chocolate and white chocolate.
This one, gusto ko to guys, ito. I like this one. And
Try this one. This one's hazelnut cream.
ito, para siyang lumpia Shanghai. So yun, hindi na kami nagluluto kasi, we're not cooking because we have leftover.
I agree. I agree. Sitting on that sink for like a month and a half already.
I always forget to wash it. I'm gonna wash it with a thing.
Why don't you just throw it in the washing machine?
I will after there is a thing that is a rug and stuff. I said with
Well,
them.
there's no why it's in the garage.
Because she threw, you know who he threw up in there. So tomorrow we go early. Okay? Why you don't put the thing in your car?
What thing?
The steering wheel, the cover. It's over there in the garage. Put it, huh?
It's tight. I need help. I tried to put it on. It won't fit.
Okay, I'll help you.
Tight.
Because when I drive tomorrow, going back here, I'll drive.
Yeah, use a blow dryer and heat it up and do it.
It will melt.
No, if you don't. No, if you put it too close, it might melt it. But no.
Yun, plano namin pupunta bukas sa isang bahay. So ngayon, after Christmas, wala masyadong ganap. Pahinga lang kami. And, yun, edit, laro.
Later, in the void.
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning everything family! Hello! Binalik ko lang ito kasi hindi ko naman siya sinuot ng matagal kahapon. But anyway, good morning po sa inyo mga ka-everything family. So ngayon, aalis po tayo guys. Ako yung nagdesisyon na pupunta doon kasi itong isa nakatunga nga lang sa cellphone. Sabi ko, kapag hindi ka mag-ready, ako yung aalis. What are you bringing? And guys, tumubo na yung buhok ko. Look. Look, you can see the black, black growth sa buhok natin. And he's closing his eyes and do like this. Anyway guys, let's go. So ngayon, let's go. And din ang plano ko, sabi ko, dalhin natin yung sasakyan mo kasi gusto ko dalhin dito yung massage chair, yung item. Kasi maganda yung gamitin kapag magmasahe sa katawan, ganun, kapag masakit yung katawan. So sabi ko, dalhin na natin yun dito. Outside. So, ayaw ko naman yung gamitin yung item. Ito, dalhin natin. Ito. Kasi magaan kasi ito guys, as in sobrang gaan, kaya makikita niya akong pabalik-balik ito kasi sobrang gaan. Gamitin namin yung sasakyan ni Tami. So I'm going to get my wire, my glass.
I'm going.
Oh my goodness, it's really cold, hon. What is the temperature? It's 21, right? Huh?
I don't know. It's cold.
Okay, where can I put this? The sun is so bright. Where's my cell phone? Maginaw. Ay, grabe. It's freezing cold. Oh, my stiff neck pala ako, guys. Yung liig ko dito sa kasi natulog ako kagabi mali-mali. And also, napanaginipan ko yung nakaraan ko. Iwan ko kung bakit. Iwan ko na panaginipan ko. Hindi ko naman iniisip. Matagal na yung nakaraan na yun. As in, sobrang tagal na. Bata ko pa. Iwan ko kung bakit na... Wag na natin sabihin. Iwan ko kung bakit na na panaginipan ko siya. Sabi ko, bakit naman na-stiff neck tuloy ako. Dahil doon. Wala na. Kakaiba naman yung nakaraan na yun. Parang yung ang panaginip lang is parang parang hindi ko na naalala. Basta napanaginipan ko siya. Iwan ko, nagtataka ako na stiff neck tuloy ako. Sabi ko, na-stiff neck ako. Tami, massage me. You massage me, baby. Are you gonna listen something? Later? Hala, oh, it went down, Han. Hala, it went down. Yeah, because of the ice, right?
Well, because it's so cold. The ground is hard as a rock.
Yeah. So, yun lang yung balita ko sa inyo. Panaginip. What happened here? Where this is snow from? From the water, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit, this is really ice. The road is ice.
Right.
I don't know where that snow from. Probably from, I don't know. This is so fucking weird. We're halfway na.
And many health officials caution
We're halfway,
against
right?
reopening too quickly. On May 27th, the U.S. reached
Hi guys! So ngayon,
Obviously, when you invest for value,
si Tami nagtatanong kung ano yung kakainin ko. So magpapais chicken na naman lunch. Kasi it's 11, ano na,
investing for value in the stock market is we set up
11:49. So lunchtime. Kaya yun.
that's
What?
you need to have expert advice.
11:49.
People that understand.
That you don't change the time?
Stock that pays nice dividends.
Oh my God, I thought it's almost 12. Hindi pala niya inusab yung ano, time sa sasakyan niya. It's 10:51.
That's what we do. Make sure that
Kaloka itong si Tami.
portfolios we have in place now in corporate bonds, prefers,
Welcome to
etc.
Neuroship.
But that portion of their portfolio that isn't necessarily tied to growth for income.
This is where
can be
Tommy get
invested in
his
these
car.
other things. I'm not so sure that the rollout of the vaccine
Wala
necessarily
traffic
means
over here.
an disparity between the haves and the have-nots with what's been going on.
I don't see any
Jeff,
people.
That's an awesome point. You know what? My orientation before.
Hopefully they're open kasi ano, there's nothing inside, just few chickens, okay Han?
Absolutely.
I really wanna go. I don't realize it's early. It's 10 o'clock. It's almost 11. I thought it's almost 12. I really wanna go to shop right here. Because, meron kasi silang ano dito guys, yung jackfruit. So yun. Let me see. Oh, Tami, Karen. Sakit talaga ng ano ko dito, oh. Sakit talaga guys. Ganon, oh, sakit. Oh, sakit. Ito talagang ex ko talaga. Siya talaga yung dahilan. Hindi ko sinabi kay Tami. Hindi man yun magagalit, pero hindi ko sinabi. Hello? What kind of chicken, Jack? Huh?
I don't know. What kind of small?
It's small, yeah. And it's not hot. Is this new Coke?
I ordered jalapeno poppers. Fine, she charged me for them. And then she says, "No, we don't have jalapeno poppers." I said, really? Switch to jalapeno poppers for.
We are final home. That's not our home. Everybody should be. We are finally home. Oh yeah, yeah, oh la la. This is gas. Is this Robinson?
Oil. No.
Oh, ito yung dadalhin namin, guys. Ito siya. So, we're gonna carry this and bring it home. And kahit pangit na siya, lagyan lang ng cover. Yun, like, you know, tropelo. Look, ang daming scratches. Ng ano, tignan natin kung meron bang meal. Tignan natin, ang daming bumili. Ay, rice. Uy, the dirty rice. Meron
They
silang
don't have dirty rice anymore. Right?
Ah, okay. Fries. This is an old fries. That looks like an old
Are you kidding
chicken.
me? 2 pieces? That's supposed to be 15 pieces.
Two each.
Yeah, better not be. Oh, crazy crap.
How many pieces
I mean,
now?
11 pieces. But still.
They give you a lot of freaking wings. Tommy freak out. Tommy doesn't like. That's why guys, every time we left somewhere, when he buys something, he need to count. Because he will be bitching. Going back over there and be mad. Hello. Wait, what kind of rice is this? Rice. Oh, there's a
Rice
lot
and
of
beans.
freaking beans. Oh, God.
Said the same exact thing last time.
You have the remote? Where's the remote of this anyway?
Where it's supposed to be.
Okay. And I guess you have to lay down the back seat. Did you put it down? Hala. Ah. Ito yung dress ni Bian na maganda. Walang susuot kasi ang laki. Look, bago pa guys, oh. May tag pa. 139 daw. Alam mo, dalhin ko to sa bahay. Bakit? Ipadala ko to sa Pilipinas, guys. Maganda kasi, look. Look. Malaki lang siya. Look, maganda siya. Maganda. Dalhin ko to sa bahay. Hold on, ha. Hugaw-hugaw na gud. Also, meron naman ako mga boxes. Dalhin ko na yung boxes ko. Look. Balikbayan box ko 2. Look, dalhin ko na yan. Hopefully, mag-fit sa sasakyan ni Tamimoy. Wow, that was heavy. Oh, God. Yung dugo ko is nag-explode. Anyari. I don't know, I can't close the main door. Close it, I want to go close.
Either way, I can't do it yet anyway.
Why?
Because as soon as I lose the
Didn't take
Wi-Fi.
your phone out anyway.
I'm saying, as soon as I lose the Wi-Fi.
So, yun lang guys. Yun lang, ito lang yung kinuha namin chair. And then, I'll do it later. Okay. So, we decided just to go home. Hala, it's weaving everywhere.
Yeah, that's right.
Or else I can hold it, right? Yun lang guys. Kumain lang. We just came here to eat some fried chicken.
Yeah, apparently.
And get this. I wanna come back tomorrow that I can put the garbage, but before that I have to check the garbage schedule because they keep changing schedule here every holiday. So hopefully they have the same schedule. Tuesday come here and then but I'll come here alone without my baby. Nag-uusap kami ni Tammy guys talking about the meal order bride. So
probably told me I found a mail order room.
So, tinanong ko siya if he did try it. He said no. Long time ago ba, di ba? Uso yung ganun, yung mga sulat-sulat. And then, it takes forever for you to get there the letter. And then later on, you know, few letters that you keep receiving back and forth. You decided to meet each other. And then, you have to give money to the parents to bring the daughter back to the United States. And I think that was long time ago, because nowadays there's like chat, Facebook, you can talk every day FaceTime, video call. This guy is transferring here, look at this. Sabi ko kay Tami, hindi ako mail order bride ha. And nag-meet naman tayo dito. Tami and I talking for, after I went back online for 1 week. Na-meet ko si Tami. And then after meeting him, we talked for not even a month. We talked for like few weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And then he decided to drive to see me. Right, baby boy? That was really fast. He decided to drive from New York to Florida. And then after that,
how God transforms
he is so unhappy, guys, right now. Why he didn't look? He is so unhappy. He's not happy at all. Look.
Good to see you. You know, it's good, Daryl. Great to see you.
He's not happy, guys. He visited me once and then decided to get me the second time. Yeah.
And a lot of people know Jesus' name, but they don't know his power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
And he bit me like a cat.
Back in the wild days.
Yeah, you always like bit me like a cat. Like, it's not even hug and kissing and thing. He bit me like a I'm so small. He bit me like this. Oh, meow.
You know, sinner, rich, famous.
Meow.
And, you know,
I don't forget, guys.
Are you glad I'm not from the Philippines? And I treat you like a cat, you'd be in trouble.
enemies don't tell you the part you want to kill you.
Yeah.
It's a road. Dito muna siya, guys, sa gitna. Ilagay ko lang ito dyan kapag wala na yung Christmas tree. Itong massage chair. Anyway, dito na tayo sa bahay. Yun. It's almost 2 o'clock, diba? Ang bilis namin, diba? And the son of a gun is here. Habs is here, guys.
She's there. You opened the refrigerator door, didn't you?
Huh?
You opened the refrigerator door, didn't you?
Is that what it is?
I'm good. I eat. So do we want?
Oh, she said, I see shrimp over there. Gamitin natin yan mamaya, guys. Yeah, kasi gusto kong ma-try. Ano ng oras? Malapit ng 5. Pinatulog ko lang si Mr. ngayon. Nagising naman. Dry naman eh. Ito na dry siya. Oh. Matagal na kasi ito niyang binili. I don't know if itapon ko ba ito or ano. Ayaw ni Tami itong massage na andito sa gitna. Gusto niya sa gilid kasi na daw sa gitna. Sabi ko, okay naman pag nasa gitna eh. Wala pa rin akong rice, so hindi ako kumakain ng rice ng ilang yesterday-an ngayong araw. Happy, happy! Well, may rice pala, pero konti lang. Yes. Nanonood lang kami ng movie. I want to eat chicken. Hala, oy, how come they are on top of everything? This freaking movie is crazy, honestly. The movie is crazy, love! Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog.
I didn't want to make a sandwich.
Sandwich?
Yeah, that's what I feel like.
Come here, we're gonna end the vlog. Hi guys, this is my husband. Anyway guys, we're gonna end the somebody's mad. We're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. My husband is cleaning his face.
Yeah.
Good night. Hi.
Hi guys.
Good night guys. Kakain lang kami ng dinner. I don't know why he wants sandwich. And Han, we don't have rice. I'm sad. Can I eat mashed potato?
Yes, good.
You sure?
Yep.
Thank you. Hello, why you feel like having sandwich, Han?
Yeah.
Really? You don't feel like having chicken,
Nope.
your string beans casserole,
Nope.
salad,
Nope.
the beef, and the beef. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night.